So remember when I made that video talking about the new iPad Pros and how I did not like them a lot? I changed my mind. Hello Internet, how are you doing today? My name is Brian, if you are new here, and as you can see by the title of the video, we are going to be unboxing an iPad Pro. This is just really funny to me because I made a video this year unboxing an iPad mini, which I still have, which I'm still going to keep, by the way. It's funny how I made a video clowning on this iPad and now I'm unboxing it for you guys, so... biggest clown of the year reward goes to me. But yes, we're going to be unboxing the new 13-inch M4 iPad Pro today. I have it here in the space black color, as well as the new Apple Pencil Pro. We have it here, so we're going to be unboxing both of these guys today. I am just super excited about this, so I'm not going to get too much into the backstory why I got this, because no one here is clicking this for backstory. You guys don't want lore, you guys want to see me open up the freaking box. I decided to get the 13-inch version of this iPad because this is going to be the content machine iPad. We're going to be drawing on here, we're going to be editing TikToks on here, and then the iPad mini is going to be used for social media purposes, managing my social media channels, managing all that type of stuff. Let's just get into it. I mean, I'm just yapping way too much already. So typically I would just open up the iPad first, but I never opened up an Apple Pencil on camera before. Or I have. I've unboxed so many iPads, it's absolutely ridiculous. I got it in this really cool packaging. There's a bunch of different packaging designs of the Apple Pencil, so we have a little pull tab. That was not very satisfying. I like the plastic wrap better. Apple, bring back the plastic wrap. Anyways, here we go. We will slide her out. We have designed by Apple in California. This is where all your money goes. Designed by Apple in California. This pencil was 130 bucks. Yeah. We got paperwork and stuff like that. Here we go. Here's the pencil. And yeah. Again, it's not that satisfying. I'm sorry. I'm very excited to have an Apple Pencil Pro. That's one of the reasons why I did want to get the new iPads, because they support the Apple Pencil Pro. So I'll show you guys some of the new features of the Apple Pencil Pro in this video. Have now Find My capability, so if you lose this Apple Pencil, you can find it. It's also got new double tap features, new haptic features. It's just really cool, so I'm very excited about this. And finally, unbox the star of the show. I'm so sorry you have to wait to see the iPad, okay? It's time. The box is stunning. It really is pretty.
It's mental illness, isn't it?
I love that feeling so much. Oh, and there goes $1,300. Come on. Come on. Come on. This is always so awkward whenever it's bigger than a freaking phone. Okay, alright, here. Oh, here it is. Here she is. Look at it, it's a cute little iPad baby. I'm really fucking psychotic. I'm so sorry. So let's pick her up out of the thing, and you're gonna see how skinny she is. She is so skinny. And she's very lightweight too, which is very exciting. Here she is. You can't even see her. She's so Ozempic. She's so skinny. Oh, ho, ho, oh, oh, ooh. Look at, we're so beautiful together. This is my child. We're so pretty together. And this is the new space black color. Honestly, I thought it was gonna be darker. I really thought it was gonna be a lot darker. So here she is. Give her a moment to shine. Here she is. We're gonna put her off to the side and we're gonna see what's in the rest of the box. We have paperwork. Oh, we have to talk about this really quickly. So if you go through the paperwork of the freaking iPad, you would notice that there is no stickers. There's no stickers. They got rid of the stickers on the iPads.
Listen.
I'm very upset about this. I was honestly wanting to boycott it. I remember when they actually announced that there was not going to be any stickers in the box, I was really pissed off. And I'm very pissed off about it too. Because imagine a black Apple sticker coming with your space black iPad Pro. I would be so happy. But we do get one nice thing. We get a freaking space black Apple cord. A space black charger. This is beautiful. This is exactly why we didn't get a sticker. I'm very happy about having a space black Apple cord. Here she is. Let's turn her on. Today would be nice. There we go. Hello. Ooh. Oh my goodness, the screen is beautiful. So this new iPad has an OLED screen for the first time on an iPad, so it's beautiful. Swipe up. And we're going to hit English, United States. And we're going to make the appearance small because we need all the space on the iPad. And now we're going to do quick start. We're going to log into my Wi-Fi. Wow. Oh my God, look at the keyboard. The keyboard is huge. Already pretty. Okay, there's a software update. Update later. Privacy, sure, whatever. Take my data, set up for myself. Face ID, let's do it. Okay, so you have to set up Face ID like this, which is interesting, but... Second Face ID scan is complete. Face ID is not set up, so we're just gonna hold it like this. And then we need to create an iPad passcode, so I'm gonna enter my passcode in here. Can you see the freaking keyboard? Look at that freaking big keyboard, that's huge. So I did not get the new Apple Magic Keyboard accessory because that's like an extra $350. Apple, you're sick with your prices. Your prices are ridiculous. Oh yeah, by the way, this is my birthday present to myself. Okay, so we're not gonna transfer anything. We're gonna start fresh with this iPad. So now we need to agree to all the terms and conditions. Now setting up my Apple ID, look at that, it's so cute. Holding it like this is like literally holding a MacBook screen. It's quite crazy. By the way, I got the 256 gigabyte variant of the iPad Pro. Welcome to iPad. So let's get started. We're here. This is, look at that. Look how beautiful this is. This is gorgeous. It's beautiful. It's got so much space. So now we're going to set up the Apple Pencil. Take the Apple Pencil and we're going to set up on the side, and Apple Pencil Pro. Welcome to Apple Pencil Pro. So now we're gonna try squeeze. I guess we're gonna take the Apple Pencil off and we're going to, oh my God, look at that. That's so cool. Alright guys, so it's been a few hours since I did set up the iPad, so let's talk about some of the new features of the iPad. So I did want to show you guys, if you can see right here, when I'm drawing, there's a digital shadow that's actually created on the Apple Pencil. Also, there's a barrel tilt. I think I have to actually activate a specific pencil. This one, I believe I can. There you go. As you can see, if I kind of move it a certain way, I get the new barrel tilt. Here is the start of the show, this new menu. I love it so much. It's so cool. It's super convenient and it's awesome. I love that. Or get a new color, adjust the color, do this. It's just super convenient. The Apple Pencil Pro really allows you to actually have a bunch of really cool drawing tools. And also each individual pencil has its own shadow. As you can see, this is a crayon. So nice. So nice. I'm such an artist. Oh, now you can add Apple Pencil to Find My Network. So we're gonna add Apple Pencil to my Find My Network. Now we're all set. So we have the Apple Pencil set up here. I'm already christening the iPad by taking really weird selfies. So there we go. But yeah, that's actually the new front-facing camera. It's right there. So guys, that pretty much is the unboxing of the iPad Pro. This is actually really hilarious. So here's the iPad Pro. And here's the mini, look at that. She's like literally like so tiny. As we said, this is the creative iPad and this is the micro iPad. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did like it, be sure to hit that button down below and subscribe and click the notification bell to get notifications on whenever I upload another video. You can also follow me on all the social medias. Links are going to be down in the description and down below and also right here. And yeah, thank you guys just so much for watching this. Be sure to give me a like and I shall see you guys in the next video. Bye!